Hey guys, check out this 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Series 2. It's got a 6.4 liter V8. Nice like chalk color. It's got 22-inch rims, power running boards, big panoramic sunroof. So heated, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, height adjustment, park assist. And this thing's pretty much got everything. Massage seats. Camera. Navigation. So you got, looks like you got ambient colors. You can change everything to whatever colors you want. Pretty cool. Obviously it has all your Apple. This does have the Mcintosh Stereo system. I'm not sure what this will show, but really nice stereo system. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. 47,790 on the miles. Where you turn on your massage seats here, all your adjustments here, power folding mirrors, all your automatic windows, all-weather floor mats, your VIN number. So sunshades for the kids. This does come with the center console, heated seats in the rear, all your different power options down here. Three seat belts in the back. Makes it a 7-passenger. Every seat has all their power options. Looks like these rear seats recline. There is a second sunroof on top of the big panoramic sunroof. Roof suede. Good tires on it. There is blind spot monitors, if you can see that. So is it a rebuilt title? Damage is right here. All been fixed up, ready to go. Flaw on that seat. nice Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.